Yeah, and I think that's a really good kind of segue into another topic that I wanted to cover too, which is around how AI is really a predictive model and is not a deterministic model, so you're not going to get the same output every single time. And that's really important as we kind of begin to spin out into more of the, non-power users and so forth, where we have to make sure that the AI model is accessing data the same way every single time and then producing a similar type of report every single time. And so, AI models are really good at making assumptions around things. It's good at predicting like what's the next word that that may come up with in an actual sentence. But when you ask it to query data, it's going to basically start to do it slightly differently every single time. And so what we've been doing is we've been having it just write the code that it needs to, and then we can call that code every single time that we want that query run or a similar type of query run, so that then that end user can get the similar output and then get the insights that they need from that output too. And that output is then easily repeatable for anybody else who is also running that similar type of query as well too.
Yeah. Yeah, and I think what's going to be interesting for folks that are adopting, especially at the office of the CFO type of AI models that are being released and are soon to be released, is exactly what you're saying, is that verification, right? And really make sure that the financial statements in this example always reconcile to the source of truth, which is the underlying ERP or accounting system that's in use. I think that I think more and more people are going to have to really get that logic as code correct, and to your point, have that reusable set of prompts so that it always comes out with the same kind of deterministic answer and approach for answering the questions.
Yeah. Yeah, and it's really going to be important as people start to use it for drafting up, various financial reports like a quarter end or doing some forecasting and so forth, is making sure that that math is consistent. And so we really like to have that down as code that um, maybe some models cannot edit and
Yeah.
or change so that it's consistently the same output type like every single time, or the same types of trend or the same type of calculations run every single time.